What if your fireplace didn't just sit there, but actually transformed your space? What if it didn't need wood, gas, or venting, but still gave you the look, the feel, and the sound of a real fire? Welcome to the MagikFlame Athena, the luxury electric fireplace that finally gets it right. Let's start with the experience, because that's what really matters. You walk in and instantly feel the warmth. The flicker of realistic flames dances on lifelike logs. No cheesy screen effects. You hear the soft crackle of firewood, maybe even gentle rainfall or ocean waves if you choose. No smoke, no ash, no dry air, just comfort. It's the atmosphere of a real fire with the ease of modern tech. This fireplace doesn't just look great, it makes your life easier. Control everything from your iPhone, adjust the flame, set the sound, schedule your heat, all with a tap. Whether it's your apartment, condo, or dream home, the Athena elevates your space. Now here's how it does it. 30 ultra-realistic flame effects powered by patented hollow flame tech. It's projection-based, not old-school screen loops. A powerful infrared quartz heater warms up to 1,000 square feet, with zone heating to slash your energy bills. Realistic, crackling log sounds, plus ambient options like rain or forest nights. Touchscreen plus iPhone Bluetooth app for total control. Elegant alpine white mantle with detailed trim. It's basically furniture. No gas lines, no chimney, no installation headaches. Just plug and go. People don't believe it's electric until they get up close. It's that convincing. If you've been waiting for the perfect fireplace, this is it. Ready to upgrade your space? Don't wait. Hit that like, share, and subscribe if you're into smart luxury living. And check the link in bio and description for more.